So this is the compost site where we are able to get free compost as much as we like. All of this free compost. The city sets it up. You can see where it has the leaves, but the city sets it up where you can come and get as much compost as you like. Super tall. You can get mulch if you like. They do recycling. They do all of that great stuff. Let me grab my gloves. All right. Let's take a look at the quality of this compost. Oh. On which side? On this front side or this other back side?
Where I was over there.
Okay, let's go there then.
Is this plastic and trees in it?
Okay.
I see the plastic.
Nice. So the guy said that the other side is better because it's clear. So I'm gonna get in the car. And drive around to the other side. So every year after Halloween, the city brings all of the remaining pumpkins out here, and they just throw them over there. Let me see, right over here, there's pumpkins right there that the city will bring out and just, I guess, to recycle them, and the kids come and get them, and they just grow year after year. All right, so coming on the back side, he said this compost is a little better because it doesn't have. So this is the compost, you all. We're gonna get some for our garden for next year. This is amazing, right? It is all free. Welcome to my channel, you all. I am Monique D. And if you are new, welcome. And if you are a returning subscriber, welcome back. Welcome, welcome, welcome. We are just prepping for the new year, the new season 3. Over there, they have the free mulch over there. But yeah, we're just in it, trying to get it in. Look at me, Madre, right there, getting it in. Say hi to the camera.
Hi, camera.
All right, you all, until next time, let's get it in.